What is quinoa? So this quinoa, guys, is not the same as this. This quinoa is perfume. Jimbo Kusa. I love it. This one is different. So for now we are cooking quinoa. So this one we need to wash. And then we'll wash 3 times. 3 times. Okay, so this is the greens and this black one. Okay, so this one is not the same as the other. So see the difference. But we need to finish the cooking. Since our quinoa, guys, is dry, it will absorb more water, so I will add more water there. Actually, the ratio is 1:2. That's a ratio. So we'll cook it for about, we will see how long. So stay tuned for now. We will see how long. I don't know how to position my cell phone.